How to add collaborators to your Airtable base. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can add collaborators to your Airtable base. Adding collaborators to your Airtable base is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. As you can see, once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you see Airtable, you'll see the home, you'll see your collaborators here as well. So by the time you can see all of this, the next step or the next thing to do is to go ahead and select and go to the base that you'd like to add collaborators to. When you see this base, next step is to click on the three dots on this base. After clicking on it, you can see some options being displayed, such as rename, share, etc. So you can just click on share, and then after clicking on share, um you can see the option to invite people. You can see this base is shared with one collaborator. So what you must notice that on Airtable, anybody you invite by entering their email addresses or by sending links, whatever, would automatically, and the person accepts the invitation, the person will automatically become a collaborator on your Airtable base. All right. So once you click on share and then you're brought to this page, you can see next step is to input the person's email here. And after you input the person's email here, you can see the option manage access, right? So just click on that. And after clicking on manage access, then here you can now show the kind of role you want the person to play, the kind of permission you got the person, etc. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can invite you can add collaborators to your Airtable. I hope the tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for your watching and have a good day.